Welcome back to Signature Series Rigs. On today's episode of Laura, you'll see Dylan go through a few of the necessary maintenance items that many of these vehicles need, as well as expose some of the issues that Laura has. You'll find out what's in the transmission pan, and he'll share a few tricks of the trade that he's learned along the way. Hope you enjoy.
Now, if you do it right, you keep all your sticky stuff, and we'll use a little more stick to put this back together how it was. This keeps the noise down, keeps the dust out of the car, stuff of that nature. Don't just throw it away. This is what we gotta change. Alright, so the little trick here for the pans that don't have a drain plug is you leave some bolts in the back loose so that you can drop this front down. And then I have here a fluid extractor, fluid pump, whatever you want to call it. It's pneumatic, runs on air. Turn it on, pulls fluid. So we're going to do that and fill this up probably 3 times before we drop the pan, so that way we're not taking a bath and all that nasty transmission fluid. Alright, so we might have skipped a little bit there. It took 2 people to get it out. Ended up having to lift the trans up, switch the bracket over, somebody else twisted it. This slides down, just be careful so you don't make a mess. Quick, like that. Oh, this thing, man. Definitely supposed to be red, not dark black. This is our pan. You can see we got some decent material on the magnet there. Nothing to be worried about, really. It's pretty common. Higher miles, hasn't been done in a while. Good. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and put the new filter in here. Always check your seal, make sure it's still soft. Now, as you guys can see, that pan looks brand new. Magnet is clean. Alright, let's put some oil in this thing. Some transmission.